So I just got done with my workout and I'm going to make a smoothie for breakfast. This is only the second time I've made this smoothie, so hopefully it'll turn out okay. I don't have any yogurt, so I'm using whipping cream, just a little bit of whipping cream, milk, some honey, and then this mixed fruit, which is strawberries, peaches, mangoes, pineapple, and red seedless grapes. Try to break this up a little bit. The fruit is frozen, so you really need a good blender. I have a Ninja, which works really well. So I just start out with a little bit of like each thing, and then I just add it as I think I need it. Woo. So I'm going to put the whipping cream in a little bit later. After I've blended it some. And now I'm just going to put a spoonful of honey. Okay, so I just continued to add the milk until I put a little bit of that whipping cream in it, and that is basically just to thicken it up some and give it a little bit of depth, I guess you could say, because you're really supposed to be using yogurt. Whipping cream is not healthy by no means. So I just keep adding milk and till I get it to the consistency that I like. And this looks about right. I mean, you want it not runny, but you don't want it so thick where you can't drink it out of your cup. So that looks pretty good to me. Now I'm just going to take out the blade. And that is like extremely sharp. I'm like even scared to handle it. And now I'm just going to pour it in my cup. And this is going to be my breakfast for today. I probably need to like figure out the exact measurements. I know that I used half of this bag, so this is a 14-ounce bag. I used half of that the first smoothie and then the other half this time. So it's half a bag, the fruit, and then I just eyeball everything else. I put about a spoonful and a half of honey. That's good. That's a good mixture of fruit. Because that fruit, like the pineapple, the peaches, the grapes, the strawberries, all of that, and the mango, all of that is kind of like a sweet or sweeter fruit. Besides the strawberries, they can be a little sour, but so that makes it sweeter where you don't have to use as much honey. That's good. I really need to try it with some yogurt. you would have to put more honey in it if you did yogurt. Because, you know, yogurt. Well, I guess you could use a vanilla flavored yogurt. So our craft for today is going to be like a fall wreath that we're going to use these leaves that I got from the Dollar Tree, and then we're going to cut the center out of this plate. So I also need a glue stick. I had one open. I don't know what happened to it. Get a little glue stick, and I think that's it. Let's put this stuff up. I'm gonna take these markers out because we may use those. Get all these crafts up. Got tons of crafts, that's for sure. And then we got to get some scissors. Let me use these scissors in here. These are my better scissors. Plate. So we're just going to cut the center of this out. And then we're going to use the outer part as the wreath. What? You want to color the plate?
Yeah.
We're going to glue some leaves on it.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Mommy, give up, Mommy.
If I had some, maybe we'll put a little bow on it if I can find some string.
Mommy, I'll do that.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Nothing special. I'll just cut the middle of it out. And now we're going to glue on some leaves. You ready to glue on some leaves? So pick which one you want to put on there. That one? That's two. Here, let's just get one. That's a whole bunch. Here you go. Alright, take that one and you put it on your glue. Put it right here. You got it stuck on there? Alright. You put another one. Stick it right up here under that one. There you go. Yeah. Alright. Put you some more leaves. Stick them on there.
Okay.
You don't like doing this?
No. I'm tired.
What?
I'm tired.
You're tired?
Yeah.
Here. Yeah, I thought you liked it. You want to do the glue?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, put it right here. Rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it. Alright, let me put some leaves on there. Help me.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see out.
I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah. Zippo, Mommy. Mommy, Zippo.
Oh, you want me to open it?
Yeah.
Here you go.
I'm cold now. Okay. See, Mommy?
Mm-hmm. But yeah, this is just a pretty simple craft. Just gluing on some leaves to the paper plate. But I thought, I think it looks pretty cute. I'll probably hang it up on my fridge. You just have to make sure they're stuck on there really good. And then let it dry.